Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. These are the pieces that I will try on today. These are from 23P. You may have noticed that this is not available in the US. They only have two here. One's a 44, it runs very small, but it's a little bit big. And then this one is a 40 and it runs a little bit small, plus it's in blue and I would prefer pink. So we're gonna try these out with the tailor and see what the options are, but I'll show you how they fit. You can still find them, you just have to hunt a little bit. This one here I had not seen, and it is from 23P as well. And it has that scratchy feeling that we've talked about in so many videos that none of us really like, but we'll give it a shot. And then this is from 23S, and the jacket looks really big, just hanging on the hanger here, but we'll see what it looks like on. And probably I would just do the jacket maybe in a way smaller size alone without the pants, but we'll take a look and see how it fits. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video from Paris, and welcome to Channeling Luxury. Here's the suit. So first of all, let me get to the pants. Very high-waisted, and they have a lot of extra fabric right here. So, and they're really long. So I think they would look great if you're like 6'4" instead of 5'4". And I don't like, as you know from watching my channel, I don't like tight stuff on the waist, and I don't like high-waisted. So those I would definitely not purchase. But I think this jacket, particularly with only one button or totally open, it's medium weight. If you watched my channel before, you know I like lightweight tweed. It's not quite fitting that bill, but it's not heavy either. And I think it's very on trend with the oversized baggy jackets that we see, oversized baggy blazers that have been out for now a couple of years. But let me show you, as you know, if you've seen my videos about jackets, it has to have cool pockets. This is about as good as Chanel pockets get. I don't really care about the little bunny guys. I just care about this, and the pockets are perfect. So I think with some tailoring, the jacket could be amazing with some skinny jeans. And let me get up close and show you what the buttons look like. And you can also see the design of the tweed on this one. And it is a little bit long, so even without these crazy long pants, it is a longer jacket, so as you know, they're not going to be willing to tailor that. Anything that alters the original design. A little bit about the continued quality control problems. So we all know that the buttons pop off. I will not buy Chanel at the moment without having them reinforce the buttons, even though supposedly they've gone back to double machining, or it's still a machine, but it's done twice, but it's no longer by hand. Check this out. Put my hand in the pocket, and this pocket is literally coming apart. And the other one is about to start doing the same thing, and you can see the holes right here where they didn't fully stitch it. And I haven't looked at the price of this jacket yet, but I know it's not inexpensive, and even H&M would not be doing this. So they continue to have quality control issues. So I'm gonna try on the next sweater. We'll see if it also is coming apart or not, and we'll give it a shot. All right, here's the metallic top. Let me show you the colors. Some small sequins. I think on this one, the fit is really, really good, but the fabric is too scratchy. So you can see it is pulled in nicely at the waist, and it has good stretch to it. The more I look at it on, the more I like it. I just think that when I go to reach for it, put it on, and then feel that scratchy feeling, I'll probably end up putting it back, and it will end up on the real. So I don't want to go there, and none of us want to do that. So this one's a pass for me. So far, the only thing that's for sure is the jacket, but it needs a lot of work. So let me try the next one, and we'll take a look at it together. Okay, so this is the top that I've only been able to find in the European Union, and you can see it from the back, and it also is that scratchy fabric. I think the style of it is kind of worth it. So this is a 44. It's running extremely small, and I was worried about that before I even tried it. And I love how it's open here. I think it's really sexy and cute, but this one might be just a little bit too open. So I was trying to look for one size smaller, but unfortunately they don't have it anywhere left. So I'm gonna try the blue one, which is 2 sizes smaller, and we'll see what you think, but the sleeves are actually a good length. You can see what it looks like from the back. All right, so here's the aqua blue, and it does match the pants that are out for this last season as well. And so you can see this 2 sizes smaller definitely brings the size in a little bit. It's less exposed, which I think it's already exposed enough, so I think it's good that it's brought it in a bit and still have the nice arms. If this one was a pink one, that would be hands down the winner. So the choice is between size and color. It's a little bit hard to tailor this one, and I'm not 100% sure they're going to be able to do it back at home. So here's the back, and here's the metallic detail. And you can see the cool sleeves on the end. And anything that allows us to show our stack is a good thing. So that is all there is. There's a collection launching in just a couple of weeks after you'll see this video, and it's not here yet, so I'm gonna miss out on that, unfortunately. But Cocoa Beach will be out in a bit. And so that's all I have from Paris on my short video. Thank you for watching.